astronomers discover third puzzling interstellar object, big, bright, and fast. Live observation of new interstellar object 3I/Atlas, C/2025 in 1, July 3, 2025. NASA's interstellar comet 3I/Atlas. A closer look at a cosmic visitor. Astronomers discover third puzzling interstellar object, big, bright, and fast. Astronomers have stumbled upon a truly fascinating mystery in space, a third interstellar visitor unlike anything we've seen before. This newcomer is not only large and luminous, but also hurtling through our solar system at incredible speed. But here's where it gets truly intriguing. This object defies the patterns set by its predecessors, leaving scientists buzzing with excitement and questions. Late on July 1, 2025, astronomers supervising an asteroid warning system tracking near-Earth objects spotted a massive and bright object streaking through our neighborhood in space. The discovery quickly caught global attention, and within hours, the European Space Agency confirmed that this object, initially labeled A11PL3Z and later officially designated as 3I/Atlas, is the third known interstellar object ever recorded, meaning it originated from outside our solar system. Currently, measurements estimate 3I/Atlas to be about 12 miles, 20 kilometers, across, significantly larger than either of the two previous interstellar visitors. While it won't come dangerously close to Earth, this object could unlock valuable insights into the makeup of earlier interstellar travelers, and even shed light on how planets form around other stars. On July 2, at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Mary Magnuson, an associate science editor for The Conversation US, spoke with astrophysicist Darrell Z. Seligman from Michigan State University, who has been analyzing 3I/Atlas since its unexpected appearance. What sets 3I/Atlas apart from the earlier interstellar objects? Well, to date, we've only had two others, ʻOumuamua and Comet 2I/Borisov. The first, ʻOumuamua, was a peculiar object with no visible dust tail and exhibited unusual accelerations not fully explained by gravity alone, sparking numerous theories about its nature. On the other hand, 2I/Borisov was unmistakably a comet, although its chemical makeup differed somewhat from comets commonly found in our solar system. Scientists had mostly prepared for new interstellar visitors to look like one of these two, but 3I/Atlas breaks the mold entirely. It is astonishingly bright and much larger than either ʻOumuamua or Borisov, so large and luminous that our telescopes can detect it despite its significant distance from Earth. For perspective, ʻOumuamua was discovered only when it was very close to us, yet this new object is visible even much farther away, enabling astronomers to observe it over a longer period and gather more detailed data. Not only is 3I/Atlas enormous and distant, but it is also moving at remarkable speed, accelerating the urgency and interest in its study. Initially, there was skepticism among experts. As often happens, a new detection might seem interstellar but later turn out to be an object from within our solar system. However, by early morning, orbit specialists were confident that this object is genuinely interstellar. Its speed and trajectory confirm it is not gravitationally bound to the Sun. So, how do astronomers determine if an object is interstellar? The key lies in analyzing the shape of its orbit using a characteristic called orbital eccentricity, which describes how much an orbit deviates from a perfect circle. An eccentricity of 0 represents a circular orbit, while values between 0 and 1 indicate elliptical orbits, where the object remains gravitationally bound and returns periodically. However, once the eccentricity exceeds 1, the orbit becomes hyperbolic, meaning the object is on a one-time flyby and will leave the solar system forever without returning. This hyperbolic trajectory signals that the object originated beyond our solar system. Detecting this isn't as simple as it sounds. Observers initially see only points of light against the backdrop of stars, without immediate knowledge of the object's distance or exact motion. By tracking its position over time and comparing with background stars, scientists can calculate its speed and fit an orbital path. The incredibly fast speed of 3I/Atlas, especially given how far away it is, strongly suggests a hyperbolic orbit and thus an interstellar origin. Determining orbits is a dynamic real-time challenge. Researchers use specialized software that processes nightly observations of all small solar system bodies to continuously update orbital calculations. As more data pours in, the models sharpen, allowing for increasingly precise understanding of the object's path. Why is studying an interstellar object so significant? These visitors are essentially ancient relics from other planetary systems, untouched remnants from the process of planet formation. Within our solar system, comets and asteroids have already revealed much about how our own planets developed, acting like cosmic time capsules. Exploring objects from other systems offers a rare peek into the broader processes that shape planetary systems across the galaxy. In the coming weeks, scientists will focus on observing whether 3I/Atlas displays comet-like behavior, such as a tail of gas and dust or changes in velocity not explained by gravity alone. Knowing whether it contains ices is particularly crucial, as this reveals information about where and how it formed. For example, an icy composition would suggest it formed far from its host star and was later ejected, possibly by powerful gravitational forces from a giant planet akin to Jupiter or Neptune. Ultimately, this intriguing object could expand our understanding of an entirely new class of celestial bodies and the diverse environments beyond our solar neighborhood. As astronomers around the world turn their telescopes toward 3I/Atlas, we eagerly await the treasure trove of data that will soon deepen our insight into the mysteries of the cosmos. And here's the real question for you. What do you think this object might reveal about other star systems? Could it challenge what we believe about planet formation? Or is it simply another piece of a vast cosmic puzzle? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation about the wonders beyond our solar system. Live observation of new interstellar object 3I/Atlas, C/2025 in 1, July 3, 2025. Get ready for a cosmic revelation. A brand new interstellar visitor has just been discovered, and it's making waves in the astronomy community. Meet 3I/Atlas, formerly known as A11PL3Z, the third interstellar object ever detected hurtling through our solar system. But here's where it gets exciting. You can witness this rare phenomenon live from the comfort of your own home. The Virtual Telescope Project 2.0 is hosting an online observation event on July 3, 2025, at 2200 hours Universal Time Coordinated, where you'll get to see 3I/Atlas in real time. This extraordinary object was first spotted by the Atlas Survey on July 1, 2025, and officially designated 3I/Atlas equals C/2025 in 1, Atlas, just 24 hours later. To put this into perspective, only two other interstellar objects have been discovered so far, 1I/ʻOumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. The Virtual Telescope Project has already captured an image of 3I/Atlas, which you can check out on their website. And this is the part most people miss: the opportunity to witness something truly remarkable. To join the live online observation, simply head over to the Virtual Telescope Project's Web TV page on the designated date and time. But don't just watch, be a part of the conversation. What do you think about the significance of discovering another interstellar object? Do you believe it holds the key to understanding more about the universe? Or is it just another fascinating phenomenon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You can also support the Virtual Telescope Project by donating and receive an exclusive image of Comet C/2023 A3/Atlas, specifically made for their supporters. So mark your calendars, set your reminders, and get ready to witness a once-in-a-lifetime event. Will you be tuning in to watch 3I/Atlas, or do you think it's just a fleeting moment in the vastness of space? Let's discuss. NASA's Interstellar Comet 3I/Atlas. A closer look at a cosmic visitor. A cosmic stranger in our midst, unveiling the mystery of the interstellar comet. Imagine a celestial body, born in a distant star system, hurtling through the vast expanse of space, and now, making its way through our very own solar system. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the astonishing truth. NASA has just discovered an interstellar comet, officially named 3I/Atlas, which is currently located about 420 million miles, 670 million kilometers, away from us. This extraordinary find was first reported on July 1st by the NASA-funded ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, survey telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile. Since then, astronomers have been busy gathering more information about this cosmic stranger. By digging through the archives of 3 different ATLAS telescopes around the world and the Zwicky Transit Facility at the Palomar Observatory in San Diego County, California, they've managed to collect pre-discovery observations dating back to June 14th. But what does this mean for us? Fortunately, the comet poses no threat to Earth and will remain at a safe distance of at least 1.6 astronomical units, about 150 million miles, or 240 million kilometers. It's currently about 4.50, about 416 million miles, or 670 million kilometers, from the Sun, and is expected to reach its closest approach to the Sun around October 30th, at a distance of 1.40, about 130 million miles, or 210 million kilometers, just inside the orbit of Mars. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Astronomers are eager to learn more about the comet's size and physical properties. As 3I/Atlas continues its journey, it should remain visible to ground-based telescopes through September. However, once it passes too close to the Sun, it will be out of sight until early December, when it's expected to reappear on the other side of the Sun, allowing for renewed observations. And this is the part most people miss. The significance of this discovery extends far beyond the comet itself. It offers us a rare glimpse into the mysteries of interstellar space and the potential for life beyond our solar system. So what do you think? Are we alone in the universe, or is there more to the story? Share your thoughts in the comments below.